In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide read receipts on Instagram. You can simply read a message without letting the other person know. This means that you can disable Seen on received, opened, and not replied messages on Instagram. In your Instagram message section, let's say you don't want a specific person to know if you open their message, just tap into their chat. On this page, you will then tap next to their profile icon, just right here. Select the option of Privacy and Safety. On this page, in the section of Who can see your activity, make sure to disable this option of read receipts. When disabled, this particular person won't be able to notice if you either opened the message they sent to you. This works on selected accounts only. You can at any time choose to undo the feature. That's how easy it is to turn off read receipts on Instagram. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't hesitate to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.